Last time we created this add new party page. Now we are going to perform this edit operation. So for this we need to create one page. Here you can see we already give link edit party. So here I am going to open this page, add new party, and here I am going to copy these things. We need to create this page. So here in admin side, right click, new, I am going to create new page. So now you can see we have this page. Now you can see in edit party info we need same layout, only we not required to display this record. So we need same layout. So I am going to copy the full this add new party page design. So I am going to copy this all. I hope you have this page, and I am going to paste here. So you can see we have this edit party info page. We have already everything. Now I am going to delete these things because we are not going to display that. So I am going to select this and I am going to delete this. Now here I am going to click, and now you can see this is the perfect. Here we are going to change our heading, edit new party, or only edit party info. Here edit party info, and here we are going to write message record updated successfully, and here we are going to perform update query. But before that, you can see when we open this page, on that time we need to fill this detail. It means when I click on this, on that time first name should be filled up, last name filled up, business name, contact, address, city, this all things should be filled up here. So for that you can see we already passed this ID. So now here we need to get that ID. So here I am going to get that ID. So now we have this ID. Now we are going to fire select query. So here I am going to write first Mysql underscore query $link, and here we need to write select star from, and we need to pass here our table name. So our table name is party underscore info. So I am going to copy this, and here I am going to paste, and where id is equal to $id. Now here while $row is equal to mysql underscore fetch underscore array, and then $res. Now we need to get these all values like first name, last name, business name, these all things we need to take inside variable. So I am going to declare that variable, $first name, then we need to take last name. So in structure I can directly copy it, then here also, then contact, then here address, and then here city. So I am going to copy these things also. Yeah, that's fine. Now we need to take values inside this variable. So we can directly copy these things, copy, paste here, and now here we are going to take from our table. So I am going to just first we can pass this. This is the shortcut because we have multiple values to load, that's why. Here we need to write first name, here we need to write last name. You need to write here same as column name from your MySQL table, business name, then contact, then address, and now here we need to take city. Now you can see we have all the values in our variable. Now this variable value we need to pass here, like I am going to pass here value, and here I am going to pass $first name. So now here I am going to run this, and here you can see we got first name. So now we need to fill last name, business name, contact, address, and city. So here I am going to pass value. Here we need to pass dollar last name. Now we have here business name, so here we are going to pass value echo dollar business name. And now here we have contact number, so here I am going to pass value echo dollar contact. And now here address. So in address we cannot pass value. For address we need to write between this text area. So here I am going to write echo dollar address. And now for city I am going to take value, and here I am going to write echo dollar city. So now here I am going to refresh, and you can see we have all the values. Here we are getting space for address, so I am going to remove this. We need to keep in one line. So now you can see address looks perfect, city and etc. all details we have perfect. Now I am going to change the button value. In place of save we are going to write update. So here I am going to write update. And now for this update we have named submit one. So here already we have written submit name, but here we need to pass our update query. Yeah, update query is most important because 99% student did mistake in update query. So update, here we need to pass our table name. So our table name is party info, so I am going to copy, paste, set. And now we have to pass our field name. So I am going to copy field name, copy, paste, then last name. So I am going to again copy, paste. Here business name, so copy, paste. Here contact, copy, paste. Then city. And we have to pass where id is equal to $id. This is most important. If you forget to pass this where clause, then all table will be updated. So don't forget to pass this where. Now here we need to pass our text box reference. So our text box first name is first name. So here we have to write $post first name. Here we have to pass our last name text box name. Yeah, last name. So I'm going to copy, paste. Then here for business name, then for contact. So for contact we have name contact. Now for address, name address. And now we have to pass city. So for city we have name is city. So I am going to pass here city. Yeah, so our update query is ready. And now after that we are going to display the success message, means these things. And then after 3 seconds we have to again forward on our previous page. There we can see our updated record. So I am going to write here window.location is equal to, here we can write add new party.php. Yeah, this is fine now. Now we are going to check here. I am going to refresh. Here I am going to write Amit1 and then update. So here we are getting message, and we have to wait 3 seconds, and here you can see my first name is updated. Now I am going to edit again. Here I am going to do Amit again, update, record updated successfully. and here you can see our first name is updated. So this way we can perform edit operation. Now we are going to perform this delete operation. So here you can see in delete link we pass this page name. So I am going to create this page name. I show you where I pass that name. Here we pass that name. So I am going to copy this name. Here we need to create that page, PHP file, delete party. Here again we need to include our connection file. So here include connection file is included. Here also we need to get ID. So $id is equal to $_get ID, and now we need to pass here delete query. So mysqli _query $link, and here delete from we need to pass our table name, where id is equal to $id. And now after completion of this operation, again we need to pass our add new party page. So here script type text JavaScript, and here we are going to forward on our add new party.php. Now we are going to check. Here you can see I am going to delete this record. You can see that record is deleted. So this way you can perform edit and delete operation. But when you are going to press link in footer, you can see here, just take a look here at my pointer. You can see I get id is equal to 1 in edit, and delete also I am getting id is equal to 1. That is most important. If you are not getting id over there, it means you did some mistake. So first check that. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.